Ever felt like your brain's a browser with 100 tabs open, notes buried in Notion, forgotten insights in Slack threads, and research scattered across 17 Google Docs? Knowledge workers waste 4+ hours weekly just hunting for lost info. The Personal Knowledge Management Pack fixes this chaos with Zettelkasten frameworks for atomic note design, Obsidian Notion templates for digital garden curation, smart tagging systems with bidirectional backlinking, and retrieval algorithms that surface insights before you even ask. Whether you're a researcher drowning in papers, a writer battling idea debt, or a product manager juggling specs, this is your escape hatch. Say goodbye to the Control F panic attack and hello to your brain's new operating system. Here's what's inside the Personal Knowledge Management Pack. First, atomic note design with Zettelkasten workflows. Break ideas into bite sized evergreen units. Next, digital garden curation using Obsidian templates for visual knowledge mapping. Then, smart tagging strategies with backlinking to auto connect related concepts. Add retrieval techniques like proximity search and context aware prompting. Finally, automation blueprints for syncing data across Cursor, Gemini CLI, and Copilot. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolchain, it's your knowledge's new nervous system. Installing the Personal Knowledge Management Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add knowledge management pack. That's it. You'll get the entire workflow: atomic note templates, obsidian garden structures, backlinking scripts, and retrieval playbooks. Next time you fire up Claude Code, your AI assistant instantly knows Zettelkasten principles, smart tagging syntax, and how to prune digital garden weeds. No config hell, just pure knowledge clarity. Warning: may cause sudden urges to organize your entire life in bullet points.